Alright, hey guys, today we're going to do system test 71. So, little to no changes have been made, so let's get into it. So, in our panel, as you can see, the wiring is less messy around the panel and inside the panel, because I rearranged the wiring and stuff. And there we have our system sensor MDL 3R. And then for the pull station, we still have our RCT bar. Rebranded by Faraday. I'm gonna try get an EST T-bar. Sorry, an EST pull station. So yeah. And then for our AV device over here, we have my system sensor. My system sensor HWL remote horn, and it's set to code 3 mechanical low volume. And it's obviously going to be synchronized by the MDL. And then outside my room, there's a bit of a change here, by the way, but I'll point that out later. We have my Firelight BG12L pull station, and over here we have my System Sensor L Series P2RL horn strobe, which is set to code 3 low volume electromechanical, and the strobe is probably set to 30 candela. Let me see. Yeah, I believe it's set to 30 candela. And then in this room, we got nothing. I removed every fire alarm device from the room. The devices might come back to the room by system test 72, but that's not guaranteed. So anyways, let's start this system test from this room. So I'm going to pull this and then reset it. 3, 2, and 1. This alarm for some reason is a little less louder, but this one is a little more loud. Alright, everything is silenced. True wire audible silence over here. The only strobe on the system for now. Since I reset the pull station, we'll reset the panel inside the system. Alright, now let's do the Firelight BG12L. Everything is silenced. This is probably my first shortest system test ever. And we're gonna reset everything. Alright, you see how annoying it is when I have to keep flipping these switches back? Well, I'm gonna eliminate that by replacing some of those switches with some buttons, and then once I press them, it'll immediately silence everything, and then with the click of the reset button, everything is reset. I don't have to keep hitting some switches. So that's what I'm planning on, but the thing is, I need some button switches to do that, but I don't have enough of them. Enough button switches. I have some snap circuit button switches, but the snap circuits are annoying and I want to completely get rid of them. So yeah guys, that was system test 71. One of my shortest fire alarm systems after a long time. Yeah, I've been dealing with school, so it's been a while since I did any system tests. But anyways, I was able to do it. So yeah, bye guys.